Welcome back to Pune, Sohail bhai. I would request Sohail Khan to kindly take a seat. Please, sir. Would be great if we can have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to you. थोडीशी मराठी येते तुम्हाला बोलायला. All in Pune, what we normally say is that a very warm welcome to you, Salman Khan. A very warm welcome to you, Daisy Shah. I would request you to kindly take a seat. Very warm welcome to Guru Randhawa. Ladies and gentlemen, a little louder, please. Manish Paul, a very warm welcome to you. Welcome to Pune. Prabhudeva sir, Vanakkam. A very warm welcome to you. Oh well, we have a very gorgeous actress and a very superb dancer, Sonakshi Sinha. A very warm welcome to you. No, can we have the mics on? So I'll just put it on for you. I would also like to invite our dignitaries, 4 Pillars se Samir Pawani ji, and would also like to welcome Sunil Agarwal from the Nirman Group. So it is the Bang the Tour Pune, ladies and gentlemen. Punekars have been eagerly waiting for this moment. Today is the day, today's evening, Punekars are going to witness a fabulous Bollywood level concert for the very first time that is taking place in Pune. So, Kasakai. Busy eye.
Malay coffee पाहिजे.
Salman sir, साठी coffee please.
हो कोणा सांगा ना.
सांगते.
लवकर.
कसं वाटतं तुम्हाला पुण्याला येऊन?
बरं छान.
I would also like to invite Mr. Rakesh ji from Sakar, who is our associate partner. A very warm welcome to you. All right, well. So, Sohail bhai, I would request you to kindly begin the conference. If you could just tell us that what all can Punekars expect out of this conference?
First things first, I don't think it'll make any difference to you, but I only have 2 sisters, Alvira and Arpita. So
Basically he's saying that you don't fit in the sister category. That's what he's saying.
and the other category, don't be afraid of. So there's no threat on that also. Don't worry. Ji. It's a fab show है. मैं तो यही बोलूँगा. जी. Okay.
That's it?
नहीं, we'll start the press conference with Katrina. With Katrina.
But she's always late. She's never
All right, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Tigress of Bollywood, Katrina Kaif, on stage, please.
Tigress, the biggest superstar.
Very warm welcome to you, Katrina. Welcome to Pune. So, Katrina, we've been welcoming everyone in Pune style. Kasakai, Bara Hai. That's all you have to say for us. Please take a seat. I would request everyone to kindly take a seat. Sohail sir, over to you.
अभी आप लोग डिसाइड करो भाई बेटर था कि सर बेटर है.
You asked for it.
भाई ना हाँ सर का. Yeah. So yeah, As you see, we've got great performers, and we've done a lot of these shows. We've got the experience. During the shows, we have realized what to do and what not to do, what keeps the audience entertained. So I think after a good 15-20 shows, we're coming to Pune. So there's a lot edited, reworked on. It's a very fast-paced show, and with the interaction, it should be over in 3 hours' time. And there's a lot for all the artists to perform, because they have a history of great songs which they'll be performing on. And it's a fast-paced show, so yeah, it'll be a good, exciting dhamal of a show.
Thank you so much, Sohail Khan. Well, there's a lot more that we want to experience. We want to know how has been your experience being a part of the Bang tour till now. Manish Paul, take it over.
हाय हाय अच्छा मुझे देख के माइक भी बंद हो जाता है मुझे भी पता चला हाय हाउ आर यू firstly thank you so much for being here and we are looking forward to perform in front of the entire audience of Pune and till now we've got a wonderful response and expecting the same here. Sweetie, it's your turn now.
Thank you, Manish.
मैं एक्चुअली थोड़ा कंट्रोल में हुआ है मेरी लोअर बैक थोड़ी सी परेशान करी अरे आपके सामने अच्छे खासे आदमी की बोलती बंद हो चाहिए माइक बंद हुआ है इसमें बोलो सर मैं माइक देने आ रहा था नहीं नहीं सर मैं माइक देना मेरी हिम्मत है हाँ सर आई थिंक मैंने जो बोलना था बोल लिया
Thank you so much, Manish.
बाकी मैं शाम में डेफिनेटली
Welcome to Pune.
थैंक यू सो मच व्हाट्स योर फोन नंबर
Katrina Kaif, would you like to share your experience? This is the first time that you will be a part of the Bang the Tour, that too in Pune.
मैं आके देता सर मुझे बुलाया मैं खुद नहीं आया सर मेरी जिंदगी में ऐसे ही होता है मौका नहीं नहीं वही वाले मैं बोलूँ
I'm extremely happy to be joining the show. I think it's looking amazing. I've seen a lot of the performances they've done. The Delhi show was absolutely fantastic, and it's been a long time since I've come to Pune. I don't think I've ever done a live show in Pune before. So really looking forward to the crowd tonight and hopefully a great energy from the stadium.
We all are looking forward to it. Thank you so much, Katrina. Salman sir, would you like to please share your experience? The Bang the Tour.
I don't need a mic.
सर मैं माइक दे दूँ सर
So we started these tours abroad, and did it really well. And then I had this idea, our whole team had this idea that we should do them in India, and for our fans here. And so we've done one where, so ahead.
Delhi.
We've done one Delhi, and then we have this is the second one here, and we're trying to do as many shows in India for all our fans. So I think it's a great package. It's a lot of there's a lot of energy here, and everyone gets along with everyone. And the songs are really amazing. The performances are spectacular. We just have this one host which does not performing well, but today I hope he does a good job. And his name is Manish Paul. So we're trying our best, and then we have the most beautiful girls in the industry working with the Bang Tour. We have one of the most handsome guys in the industry, Prabhu Deva. Also on our tour. He's trying his best to dance. Seriously, he's trying to really, match up to my standards. And we're having a great time. So everyone's performing with each other. Arnie, bus, inside.
Dhanyavad, sir. Prabhu Deva, sir, I know you are a man with very few words. Would you like to share your experience throughout?
Good afternoon. The experience was very good and wonderful.
Sir,
He's done.
little
He's
more.
done.
Little more.
No, I mean, the experience was great and wonderful, and as sir says, and it will be a very energetic and colorful event.
This is the most he's said in any press conference.
Finally, I've done something different. Sonakshi ji, would you like to share your experience being a part of?
I've just been having a blast actually. The way this tour has taken off, I mean, the kind of response that we've got outside of the country, within the country, in Delhi, and now in Pune. I mean, so many of you are here. I can't wait to see the turnout in the evening, and it doesn't even feel like work. We're all just having such a blast on stage. The entire team has done such a fabulous setup and, you know, put this show together for us. And we as artists have just enjoyed performing with each other. So it's always something that I look forward to, and I'm so happy to be a part of it.
And we know that you love dancing on stage.
Yes.
Whenever, anytime, we know that.
So if you think she's dancing for the audience, you're wrong. She's dancing for herself, which is the best part.
So we just had a word with the bunk lady over here, Daisy Shah. Kem cho? Sorry, I'll just check it.
That's okay. मजामा पुणे कसे आहात तुम्ही मी प्रयत्न करते मराठीत बोलायला
Wow, that's fabulous.
Thank you. We have got a lot of love from abroad and yes, Delhi, and we are really looking forward to perform for all the Punekars here. आम्ही खूपच एक्सायटेड आहेत तुमच्यासाठी परफॉर्म करायला आणि भेटूया संध्याकाळी.
खूपच छान मराठी बोलता तुम्ही. थँक्यू डेझी. गुरु रंधावा,
मराठी छान नाही आहे काय?
तुमची खूप चांगली आहे, लय भारी आहे. Yes, sir, we know that. लय भारी मराठी आहे, definitely. Guru Randhawa, Banja Tu Meri Rani. We've been listening to it and we've been falling in love with it. How is your experience being a part of the Bang the Tour?
This is my first ever show with Salman sir and team. And मैं thank you करता हूँ The Bang team का मुझे इस show का part बनाने के लिए कि मैंने इतने बड़े stage पे show अभी तक नहीं करा. So this will be my first ever show with the amazing team. So thank you so much.
You will rock it, no wonder about it. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Bang the Tour team in front of you all. Can you please have a huge round of applause once again? And with this, the moment that we all have been waiting for, it's time for you all to ask questions. Any one of you who has question, I would request you to kindly raise your hand and the mic would be passed.
Guys, raise your hands, tell your name and the publication name and then ask the questions, please.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
Why is Manish Paul not saying anything?
You want me to say something?
I'm in shock. क्या हुआ?
His lower back is injured.
अच्छा.
लोअर बैक में दर्द है, पर लोअर बैक से थोड़ी बोलता हूँ. बोलूँगा तो नहीं, बट मैं बोलूँगा. मैं थोड़ा शाम के लिए बचा के रखा. सॉरी, मेरी मुंह में टॉफी लगी. मैं साइड में दवाली टॉफी फ्री में पड़ी थी, 2 जेब में रखी थी.
Okay. I was just worried for a minute.
No, don't.
Okay.
So we have a lot of questions coming up related to the Bang the Tour Pune. Can we have the first question, please?
Yes, hi. Sorry.
Hi.
What humility.
All honesty.
You're just being realistic. Yeah, that's good. That's a good quality. Yeah.
100%. It's just all about me.
Can I answer that? Can I answer that for Salman Bhai? Because every time he performs, it's a new performance.
Every time it becomes a new performance.
He has rehearsed the same thing,
I rehearsed the same
but it
thing.
is always new.
Yeah, because there are times that you try and improvise, and every time you try and do the same thing, it turns out to look different, which is my specialty. So I'm basically trying to do the same step, and it looks different. It's called growth.
Don't give out your great secrets.
Can we have the next question, please?
No, I was joking. Seriously, all the performances are really good. Like Katrina is one of the most hard-working people that I've ever come across. In fact, she was there yesterday rehearsing for about 3.5, 4 hours, like she was performing. Okay. Sona here is Asli Sona, and Sona Baba Sona Baba Sona, and she's obviously she's Shakti Sa's daughter, and she's got her dance moves from her father.
No.
And she's just spontaneous. She sings and she dances, and then Daisy is a fab dancer. So everyone's good. Prabhu is trying matching up to our level. Manish is giving some really bad PJs that so this whole team basically, just complements each other. I forget anyone's name. Guru will see this time whether Guru will be on the next Dabang tour or
My son is driving all the way only to see Guru. Yeah, he's not coming here. I spoke to him some time back. He says, Papa, can I come for the show? I said, yeah, but you've seen the show. He says, yeah, but Guru's a part of the Reloaded, and I want to come. So this boy's got some great following with the kids and everyone, and we are happy to bring him on board here.
वर्ल्ड क्या चेंज हो रहा है, इतने छोटे-छोटे बॉयज का नाम भी गुरु है. ये मेरे गुरु हैं. When he was 5 years old. ये मेरा गुरु है. Father saying, ये देखो बेटा, ये मेरा गुरु है.
Salman, this
was
is
really bad.
This was Manish level.
No, this is worse than Manish.
बैठे-बैठे पिट रहा हूँ सर, मैंने कुछ बोला ही नहीं.
Salman, this is Paras from India TV here. इस टूर में 3 लीडिंग लेडीज हैं आपके साथ, कटरीना, सोनाक्षी, डेजी. सो इन तीनों के साथ अलग अलग परफॉर्मेंस है या फिर एक कोई कंबाइंड परफॉर्मेंस होगा जिसमें फुल टू धमाल होगा? किस तरीके का परफॉर्मेंस होने वाला है सलमान का, क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा मौज आपकी 3 लीडिंग लेडीज हैं एक साथ.
So we are performing, all of us are performing with everyone. And the finale, which is about 28 minutes, it just goes like a bullet. And we're all having a good time. So I've got songs with Katrina, I've got songs with Sona, I've got songs with Daisy, and Jackie's not on this tour, but when she was there on the last one, so we all performed together. So I've worked with all of them, so I've got some dance song or some romantic track with all of them, so we're all performing together. And then they have their individual performances, and I have my individual performances. Prabhu, Manish Paul is going to everyone's act.
So, why did you choose Pune after Delhi? Because you have performed elsewhere abroad. So, what is
It is a very nice question that you asked me.
So in fact, they choose us, we don't choose them. The city chooses us to come and perform.
So we got an opportunity to perform in Pune, and we grabbed it. I haven't performed here in the longest time. The last time I performed here, I think was Idea Rocks, I think.
Why Pune?
Huh?
Why did you?
Why not? I mean, we come here all the time, our family living here, it's close by. Every time we've come here, we've sold out. And we got an opportunity to perform here once again, so we took it. And now this is happening throughout the country right now. We're getting, people asking us to perform in every state. So this is what we're doing right now.
Dancing with the 3 ladies, how would you perform? How would you describe their performances and like dancing best with?
You're trying to atcount. I don't get atcount. Well, it's difficult to match up with their dancing abilities and their energy and just the way they are. But thank God there is only me here on this show, so I'm being able to pull it off. But then if there was a Amir and a Shah Rukh that we've done shows together, or a Akshay, it would have been difficult to match up.
Hi Guru, this is this side.
तुम्ही मराठी
मूवी
On your
केलेला
right.
आहे
हो,
आणि
लय
मराठी
भारी.
मूवीमध्ये तुम्ही गेस्ट परफॉर्मन्स केला. सो आज पुण्यामध्ये
मी-
कुठला मराठी परफॉर्म करणार आहात का काही मराठी
मराठीमध्ये
सॉन्ग?
माझं एक मराठी गाणं आहे आणि तो गाणं इतकं फार मोठं हिट नाही झालं. तो तुम्ही गाणं ऐका आणि हिट करा आणि मी परफॉर्म करेन.
Salman, first of all, congrats on the success.
So I've sung the song, no? अरे गच्चीवरून कशी दिसते. The nicer version of it.
Salman, congrats on
Mahesh Manjrekar's film.
Salman, firstly, congrats on the
I heard
success.
this song in my own film. So I've heard my whole Maharashtrian family, sing this song. I didn't know what it meant, but
Salman, Salman, congrats on the Dabangg tour and the success. You've been to so many countries. Salman, ये एक trend बन रहा है because Karan also has a tour and you go to they go
Who?
to Karan Johar. He also has a tour where he's gone to different countries. So is it like the Dreams tour? The Dreams tour. Katrina has been a part of it where you, Alia and everyone.
Karan Johar.
Karan Johar.
Oh, okay.
So, like, I want to know what is the idea behind this? Like, you go to every country and perform. What is the idea behind the tour?
No, I don't understand what Karan Johar is doing. I mean, I know what he's doing, but
He has also done a tour. He has done a Dreams concerts in different countries with the group.
he's done that. Oh, no,
Well-
that was Karan's show.
No, that was not Karan show. That was again a world tour. Most of the times referred to as a world tour. That was called the Dream Team. So that was a big group of us. There was Karan, there was Siddharth, there was Varun, there was Alia, there was myself, and and Adi. So that was one tour which was
Karan
there.
was hosting it. Is that
He was-
what Manish is
yeah,
doing?
he was hosting the show.
What
So,
Manish is doing
idea
here
kya hai?
is what Karan was doing there. The star of that show was Katrina.
So how different is your tours from your tours?
Very different.
We're all different people, man.
Hugely different.
Also, Salman, you have a great lineup, all performers. Also, you could have included Ulia Vantur also in this tour, but it's considering she's a great singer, so why is she also not a part?
Ulia Mathur.
Ulia Vantur. Considering she's a great singer.
Well, I'm sure that you will be
Yeah, but
experiencing.
गाने आने दो. जब गाने आएंगे तब देखेंगे.
Hi Guru, this is Faridun from Borodangama on your right. On your right. Yeah, hi. Now you have, I think, a wonderful mix. आपका जो mix है in terms of non-film as well as film, दोनों आपके गाने बहुत ही ज़्यादा popular हैं, equally actually. So किस तरीके का आप आज performance करेंगे? Will you be having a mix of non-film as well as film as well?
मैं सारे गाने गाऊंगा जो चले हैं, जिनसे मेरी रोटी चली है, और आज वही गाने से आप लोगों को सुनाऊंगा. बीट, लाहौर, हाई रेट एंड गबरू, सूट सूट, बंजा रानी, और अभी रिसेंट फ्रॉम द मूवी सोनू के ड्यू टू की स्वीटी, कौन नचती. और मैं थैंक यू करता हूँ सबका, क्योंकि जिस एरिया से मैं हूँ, जिस गांव से मैं हूँ, वहाँ से अपनी आवाज़ सुनाना बड़ा मुश्किल है, बट आप लोगों ने मेरे गाने को, मेरी राइटिंग को पसंद करा, उसके लिए थैंक यू. और आज वही सारे गाने आप सबको सुनाने वाला हूँ.
Can we have the next question, please?
Hi Salman, you are known to keep in touch with your female co-stars, even your old female co-stars, but there's this co-star of yours from Veer Gati, Pooja Dadwal, who's trying
I
to
know, really sad,
reach
really
you.
sad.
Yeah.
She's not my co-star. I worked with her. She was Atul's co-star in the film, and I just heard about this, and we're trying to help as much as we can. So I think our team is already on to it, and we're taking care of it. In fact, I didn't know that she was going through this difficult phase in her life, but yeah, I think she'll be okay. She'll be okay.
Thank you, sir. Any more questions on the Bang the Tour Pune, please?
Hello Salman sir, and welcome to Pune. I'm super proud that you guys are here today to perform, and leaving aside all the questions, I'm RJ Vinny from Radio City, so I just wanted to know
If I one thing, for me to get the T-shirt.
yeah, exactly, so I'm like,
Even we want, yeah.
you want this?
Yeah, even we want.
We have a lot of them.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Please, all sizes.
I'm a
Yeah.
true loyal fan, okay?
Yeah, done. Yes, seriously, yeah.
Huh?
These are
Oh,
fancy
nice,
t-shirts.
yeah.
These are t-shirts.
No, it's there. No, is it ours or is it yours?
We have like a Radio City logo behind us.
Oh.
Oh, nice,
them.
yeah.
Soil.
We didn't think about it.
Soil, hello. Thoko copyright. This is Farsi.com.
You never know. Arbaz already sold it to them. No, but seriously, yeah. Now you send us some t-shirts.
I will.
Okay,
I'll
lovely,
be honored.
lovely. Okay, lovely. Who are coming? Who are coming to the show tonight? Yeah. So your hand is not coming up? Oh, it's here. It's not going to go. You're coming, you sure? Now, who are coming as fans to watch the show, and who are coming as journalists? You're coming.
We're
You're
done
coming
being
as journalists.
journalists here. We're done being journalists.
Huh?
2 in 1 है.
Fans ज़्यादा कम journalists. Come. It'll be good. You'll have a great time, I'm sure.
Can we have last two questions, please?
Can I complete?
Yeah.
Okay, so I just wanted to know, like from any one of you, an experience, like a good experience that you've had in Pune before. You've performed, like you said, कि आपने पहले भी perform किया है. So would you like to share something about Pune city?
Did I say मैंने perform किया पहले?
जी हाँ.
So I've shot here as well, quite a bit. I shot for Bodyguard here, and I shot for something else. Like I said, I got family here. So my mom's sister and my cousins live here in Pune, and I've got lots of friends here. So I keep coming here incognito, quietly, and I go back. And especially when I'm doing Big Boss, so it's closer. So I make this drive here. ऐसे बहुत सारे incidences हुए हैं पूना के अंदर, but मैं आपको अभी नहीं बता सकता.
I hope they're good.
Very good.
No, but generally, we've had some great memories of Pune. Sulbati stays here, my mom's older sister, and when we were growing up, we used to visit Pune very often, and we've had some great memories. So it's these two places besides Bombay, it's been Pune and Indore, where we've actually grown up. So
now Pune has grown up so much.
It has. Well, Pune has really grown, which is lovely for you.
Hello, Salman, to your right.
Prabhudeva sir.
Salman, many congratulations, and all of you guys, many congratulations for the amazing tour. Okay, Salman, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि इस ये जो tour
You said Prabhudeva sir and you diverted it to me?
No, she said.
Oh, you said.
Okay, so इस tour में पहले भी गए हो आप, it's a huge team. I'm sure बहुत ज़्यादा off-screen मज़ा आ रहा होगा. ऐसा कोई incident? Who's the prankster? Otherwise,
Ajay Devgan, Akshay Kumar, but they're not here.
No, ये जो team है इसमें से Sonakshi and Katrina आप सभी से जानते हैं.
You genuinely believe that during a professional show, which is 2.5 hours, you can afford to take a prank?
No, when you guys
Can't. I mean, we all see when you come for work, pranks are in your spare time. You don't have pranks when you're working.
Yes, but when you guys are
But यहाँ पे हमारा एक prankster है, Katrina. She's got super humor, and she's all the time playing pranks.
Yes, yeah. I think you can see between the two of us who is the one playing pranks right now.
Well,
चलो ठीक है, ये नहीं तो Sonakshi.
I feel like the biggest prank has been played on me right now. You all have made me Sonakshi Sinha. So, yeah. Who is this prankster? I want to know.
Sorry, we cannot.
Who has done the printing? I want to know.
अरे सबसे बड़े prankster तो यहाँ बैठे हैं.
Sameer ji. Well, we have the gentleman who has got the trend of Michael
हमारा
Jackson.
सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा बेचारा कितना दुबला हो गया.
Sir, would you like to tell us something about the tour, the choreography?
Ask other people also.
Hi, Katrina, Dipali here from TV9 Marathi. मुझे
शुद्ध मराठी में, फक्त मराठी में.
कैटरीना को समझ में आएगा तो मैं मराठी बोल सकती हूँ.
100% she understands Marathi.
Okay, my turn to talk now. Take the mic away.
कॅटरीना, जसं सलमान बोलला की तो एका मराठी गाण्यावर परफॉर्म करू शकतो, सर तुझा एखादा लावणी ठसका आम्हाला पाहायला मिळेल का या शो मध्ये?
Would you be performing loudly?
Have you seen Chikni Chameli?
Yeah.
So, well, if we can, then we will. But it's not. I mean, I won't be performing that song tonight. I think we're going to be performing the songs from Tigers and I. Those are new songs. That film just came in December, so I'm kind of looking forward to performing those on stage tonight.
सलमान, जर तुला गायला सांगितलं, तू एखादं मराठी गाणं तिथे सादर करशील का, खास पुणेकरांसाठी?
स्टेजवरती?
ऑफकोर्स.
मी हिंदी गाणे स्टुडिओमध्ये बरोबर नाही गाऊ शकतो. तुम्ही मराठी गाणं स्टेजवरती डिफिकल्ट आहे.
थँक्यू सो मच सर.
प्रयत्न करूया प्रयत्न.
एखादं थोडंसं जर आता गायलं.
आता नाही मावशी, नंतर.
Salman, recently, you have worked with Madhuri ma'am and you have worked with Jacqueline as well. Recently,
I have loved Jacqueline's song. I think she's fantastic in the song. Enjoy karo.
Salman, are you always like this or is this a part of the show?
अगर बजाना है तो गाना बजाओ.
Salman, are you always like this or is this a part of the show?
Are you?
In fact, I want to ask one question. We are here because of.
Now, if I'm just sitting here and answering, like.
Good fun. It's good
no,
fun.
I'm not always like this. Or it's a great show, and I'm very happy to be a part of this, the Bank Tour. Thank you, everyone. Please come, watch the show. Excellent performances, great team. Or I'll be like the way I am.
The people who have brought us here, and we'll all be performing in front of Pune, is thanks to Mr. Agarwal and Sameer, who is sitting with us on the table. So I would like to ask them that what did they think about? I think they came and saw the show in Delhi, and that's why they got us here, and they've been watching our show. So there's something that Mr. Agarwal and Sameer, you would like to add, that आपने हमको कैसे choose करके यहाँ, because ये जो आपका market है, ये आपका market है, और आप हमें क्यों यहाँ लेके आए? Agarwal साहब.
हेलो. जस्ट व्हाट हैपेंस कि पुणे में कोई हमारे को बॉलीवुड शोज़ या फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड्स का कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी आज तक नहीं मिला. एंड वेन एवर आई कम टू नो दैट सोहेल खान प्रोडक्शन एंड जे इवेंट्स आर मेकिंग दिस दबैंग टूर all over India, they are performing, and at that time only I decided to Salman Bhai and Katrina ma'am, they will perform for Pune, and this is the best, proud and lucky for Pune. The Bank Tour, we will welcome Tiger, Sultan of Bollywood. स्वैग से करेंगे टाइगर भाई का स्वागत. थैंक यू.
अब आपकी बारी.
First of all, thanks a lot for all of you to come here. And when we came to know about Dabang Tour, we were trying to get in touch with Salman Bhai for Dabang Tour in Pune. Why Pune? So it was a question that Pune has many international shows have been happening in Pune, but there has been never a Bollywood show happened in Pune. So the first thing which came in our mind was Dabang Tour, and of course with Salman Bhai, it is going to be the best in Dabang Tour. That's it. It's a very
With this, I would like to thank all the media members for joining us in. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the Bank the Tour Pune. Yes, of course, we have the photo op. I'm thanking you all because you all made it for this entire conference. You all can now take wonderful photo ops. I would request the entire The Bank Tour Pune team. Can we hear some noise for them, ladies and gentlemen?
खाली बस खाली खड़े हो जाते. अरे खाली बस है यार. काय करायचं? साधा पड़ा इंडिकेटर. साधा कैमरा खाली है हाथ खाली मोबाइल मोबाइल ए मोबाइल भाई you and Sonakshi Katrina, you, three of you. Sonakshi, three of you. Katrina. Yeah, three of. Okay, yeah, bye. Hey, Sada, पीछे कर. पीछे चले. भाई एक मिनट भाई.
Enjoy the lunch. Thank you so much. Thank you. I would request no one to cross the barricades that we have put up in front of the stage. I would request everyone, all the guests, all the family members, to kindly be seated as no one is allowed to come on the stage. I would request all the media members to kindly go and have their lunch. Sonakshi. As the entire Bangtoon team.
Sonakshi. Party hai. Sonakshi. One more. Wait. Yeah, sorry. Hey Baba, side लो ना Sonakshi. Yeah. भाई हाथ नीचे कर हाथ. Sonakshi.
The media members, all our guests.
Thank you.
And friends to kindly go ahead for the lunch that we have arranged for you all. We hope to see you all at the concert today this evening. I'm sure that you all are coming in today. Thank you so much.
पीछे हटो साइड में प्लीज. Sonakshi यहाँ पे. Sonakshi please this side. Sonakshi this side please. Yeah.